So you need to get a hold of Amazon. Okay, so let's show you how to cut through the crap quickly to get a hold of them without jumping through a lot of hoops. So they can make it kind of confusing. So I'm going to show you just the quick steps here, how to do it. So you're just going to click on help, go to get support, go to just pick an issue here. So just pick that. And then the general gist of it is you're going to keep, saying you can't find what you need, contact us until you get to this menu. So, okay. So once you get here, then you're getting somewhere. So now you're going to click selling on Amazon. And what you're going to do is just click listings. It doesn't really matter. And click that. And this is what you need right here. So this will open the menu on the left, because at first when you go over there on this, and this may look a little different for some people, but that's the general gist of it. Just keep doing that until you get to this, and then you're going to click that. Then it's going to allow you to actually get to where you can contact them. So I can minimize this here. Okay, so now we want to just go to your account. I mean, you can go into here, but this can get kind of tricky. But the quick way, just go to your account and other account issues. That'll get you right to it as quickly as possible without a lot of extra things to fill out. So, and then you can contact them by phone if you like, or if you wanted to email them. Their general format is to use the pipe symbol. It's just shift / to get that. And then you could type other account issues. And then you could type, fix listing, for example, and then, whatever it is here. So type a nice email, be courteous with them. Now, if you do, so let me show you this. So yeah, then your email, callback number. Generally, I don't think you need to put this here unless it's something really, really urgent. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. Most of the time, they're generally pretty quick to get back to you. And the important thing is a lot of people get stuck on just finding this because it can be tricky. It took us a minute because they made it more difficult a few months ago. I don't know when exactly, but all of a sudden it just got way more confusing of how to just get to this. So another thing, when you do get them on the phone, sometimes, there may be a language barrier because you may be talking to someone in India, for example, and maybe you can't understand them. The best thing to do is just politely ask to speak to someone else. You can ask to actually speak to the catalog team, which will put you in touch with somebody stateside. Also there, you can also ask for the captive team. I believe they have a support team that's located in Costa Rica, and they tend to be better at speaking English. So that'll put you in touch with them, and they tend to be a little more knowledgeable about fixing issues with listings, etc., stuff like that. And if they don't ask you, if they ask you a question or they don't know what you're talking about, just ask to speak to their supervisor. So yeah, guys, hope that helps. I know that I've been on the support line with them quite a few times, and it can get frustrating, but yeah, just be patient. They're humans too. If you just have an issue, just try those other routes of getting help within their support.